Okay, guys, welcome to yet another video, and we are in ChatGPT. And of course, this video is definitely a beginner friendly video. So, basically, what we're going to be looking at is web search. So, I've realized that a lot of persons are not using web search, right? So, basically, web search is actually a search engine, right? Such as Google and Bing. What it actually does is to go ahead to go through, let's say, a lot of websites, right? Just to get you an answer based on your prompt. So you can either ask a question or you can go ahead to put in a keyword. But of course, more than likely, we're going to ask a question. So here's how we go ahead to do a web search in ChatGPT. So what we're going to do in the part where we go ahead to click our prompt, we're going to go ahead and click on the add option, and it's going to give us a pop-up, right? And we're going to see web search. So we're going to go ahead to click on web search, right? And we're just going to go ahead and input a simple prompt, right? So as I said, so what is the most accurate exercise for toning your arms, right? So I'm going to go ahead to click on submit. And as I said, even though ChatGPT is going to go ahead to bring forth this information in seconds, right? It definitely did their background work, right? Just to ensure that you get the most accurate information. So we do have the information inputted here, and you can definitely see the sources to which they got the information from, right? And you can definitely trust and believe that ChatGPT is going to ensure that they get the information from the website that is most accurate, or the website that they think is most accurate. And here I have information on how I can actually tone my arms, right? With the types of exercise that I should do, how many times I should do it, and so forth. So I'm basically saying, guys, don't shut the door on search web. Use it up, right? It's good to go ahead to input your prompt, right? But I mean, like, if it is that we can like, get a deeper search, why not? So this is all for me. I'll see you in my next one.